You are making your daughter's favorite dish on her birthday. The aroma starts filling the kitchen, and you suddenly need that special pan deep in the corner cabinet. You asked help from your partner and kids, oh, but they ran away. Your partner and kids give up, you bend, you stretch, you practically crawl inside. You felt a lot of pain and strain, so much that you want to kill your interior designer. Is this your scenario at home? If your kitchen corner screams wasted space, difficult access, poor visibility, inefficient organization, then here comes your Rocky Buy to save you from all the pains. Leman's Corner.
Leman's Corner units are innovative storage solutions designed to maximize the often underutilized corner spaces in kitchens. They consist of curved S-shaped pull-out trays that swing out to provide full access to stored items. The combination of turning and rotating mechanisms ensures that the shelves move smoothly and independently, providing easy access to all items. Leman shelves can be installed either left or right side with the blind corner. Height of these trays is slightly adjustable and it's 2-tier, but some brands even offer 4 tiers. It's flexible for both vertical storage and horizontal storage. So, your Rocky Buy is jack of all but also master of 3. Excellent accessibility. We've all played hide and seek with our spices in the corner cabinet. Not anymore. The shelves swing out and rotate so you can easily see and access everything. Easy to pull out, lightweight shelf slides and turns outside to the front of the cabinet. Just say, it will be right in front of you. Cost effective. Starting price ranges from 20k onwards depending on the brand, so you will find one that fits your budget. Maximizes storage space. Earlier your corner space looked like this Bangalore traffic block, but now you have covered 70 to 80% more efficient use of the space with easy access. But what can be stored? Leman's unique USP is that it is flexible to cover both vertical storage and horizontal storage. As Leman's has a long tray with a flexible shape, it can easily accommodate items of horizontal storage like these long pots and pans, serving spoons, platters, trays, deep fryers, handis, dekchis, chopping boards, rolling pins, rolling boards, wet grinder and long containers. It also cuts the total height of the cabinet into 2, so it can easily store tall dabbas and even stacking up pots and pans and larger and heavier appliances like the mixer grinder or atta chakki, idli steamer, rice cooker, etc. Moreover, the top tray can be adjustable by a couple of inches, so that allows you to plan a bigger one at the bottom like your 18-liter pressure cooker and smaller ones at the top like grains, pulses, dry fruits, snacks and other pantry items. So you can totally customize and plan storage according to your unique requirements. Remember, Leman's is the only corner solution that offers you vertical storage, horizontal storage and height flexibility without compromising ease of access. This is the USP of Leman's. आखिर Rocky Buy तो है ना हमारा. But Rocky Buy can't solve all your problems in your life. Here are some of the problems of corner unit. It can be difficult to install. Your Munna Bhai carpenter can't install corner solution. It requires mid-range technical skill set to install. You need company support or an excellent carpenter with rich experience. And 100% storage is also not possible. Although it covers 70 to 80% of space, 100% utilization of space with ease is not possible. Due to the shape, a little bit is wasted around the edges. If you get Rocky Buy solution, at least you need to pay decent amount for it. Although cost effective, Rocky Buy isn't cheap. Coming up is the important part you have been waiting for. Let's explore the costs and brands of Leman solution. First, we have the best brands your money can get. Here comes the high-end Germans. Here we have Hettig ranging from 30 to 48k, Hatzler from 45 to 80k, Käsebaumer from 45 to 80k. And in the mid-range, we have a good balance of quality and price. We have brands like Kaaf, Ebco, Godrej and Sleek ranging from 20 to 45k. And finally, we have more budget-friendly but still functional brands which you may find online. These are products which are locally manufactured and the range is roughly from 15k to 20k. Warranty is doubtful but still value for money as long as it lasts. There is only one solution that covers 100% storage. Stay tuned and we have another video covering that.